Fizzlebop here, and I have a question for you. Have you ever thought about hovering? Can you imagine floating just above the ground? That sounds super neato to me. So today, we're going to build a hovercraft and see how it works. Sound great? All right, gather your family and friends and let's begin. Today at Fizzlebop Labs, I'm assisted by Waverly and Declan! Let's get started. First, the Fizzlebop supply list. Please note that this is per one CD Hovercraft. So if you have more people, you'll want one for each person. First item we'll need is a CD or a DVD. And we would recommend one you no longer use. Here you go, Declan. There's yours. And Waverly, here's yours. Put them like that. All right, next up, you're gonna need a pop-top cap from a water bottle. You'll need some duct tape, masking tape, or packing tape. You'll also need a balloon. And, so here's a balloon for you, and here's a balloon for you. And for our Fizz Extra that we'll talk about in a moment, you'll also need a measuring tape. We'll wait right here while you gather your supplies. Now that we have gathered our supplies, let's get to the experiment. First, we need to set the pop top over the center hole of the CD or DVD. Just like that. Next, we'll use tape to secure the edges of the pop top to the disc. But first, here's an important fizz tip.
It's important not to leave any gaps for air to escape.
Excellent fizz tip. Let's go ahead and use a tape to secure the pop top. Here you go, Wavy. After that, we push the pop-top cap closed. Now, we can inflate our balloons and then twist the end so the air does not escape. But we don't need to tie it. We're going to stretch the opening of the balloon over the pop-top cap so that it stands directly over the disc center. Let's do that now. Let's inflate our balloons. Would you like me to inflate yours for you?
Yes.
Okay, there's one. Okay, now on a smooth surface like the one here, we're going to pop open the cap while it's still inside the balloon. Then give yours a small tap and observe what happens. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Pop open your cap and give it a tap. Whoa, look at that, Waverly. Pop there and give it a little tap, Deck. It's floating. Look at, they're hovering. Woo! Fizztastic. Now, here's what's great about this, Declan. When your air runs out, close your cap, take off your balloon, and fill it up again. And you can start over. Isn't that fizztastic? We can even try filling the balloons with different amounts of air, more air or less air, and then observe what happens. Here's a very cool Fizz Extra you can do as well. Have a competition. We have 2 hovercrafts here. So make a starting line, use a measuring tape, and see who can push their hovercraft the farthest, and then measure it and see whose hovercraft went further. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I hope when you're done, you'll snap a picture and post it online so we can see the results of your marvelous experiment. Tag us at Fizzlebop Labs and use hashtag Fizzlebop.
Dr. Fizzlebop, what's happening?
Well, the air releasing from the balloon pushes down onto the surface, lifting the disc up a little. As the disc hovers over the pocket of air, it can easily glide without encountering friction. Though our hovercraft can only travel a short way, large hovercrafts with powerful fans can move over lots of surfaces. They can move over rough land, snow, and even water. If your balloon was a fan producing a constant flow of air, then your hovercraft would never touch the ground. That's magnificent! Now it's time to collect our data. You can record it under this experiment in Faith and Science with Dr. Fizzlebop on page 6, or in your Fizzlebop Labs notebook. Observe, what did your hovercraft do when you tapped it? What did the hovercraft do when you filled the balloon with more air? That's it. Enjoy your hovercraft, and I hope you'll share it with us by tagging @Fizzlebop Labs and using #Fizzlebop. Thanks for joining us here at Fizzlebop Labs. I hope you had as fizztastic time as we did. Join us here each week for a new experiment. On your mark, get set, go!
Can you help it?
Yeah, sure.